Welcome back to Megaverse Builds. We're here at Spotify Camp Nou, with outstanding progress visible across every major sector. Today's walkthrough reveals substantial advancements, including the arrival of concrete panels for elevator structures, active glass panel installation resuming at the diamond zones, and new compression ring components staged for upcoming installations. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and helps us grow. Let's dive into today's remarkable progress around the stadium. Starting at the Tribuna section, the first concrete panels for elevator shaft structures have arrived, a major milestone indicating these zones are approaching enclosure phases. Workers continue in upper sections with elevated platforms and in interior areas, applying white protective coating to beams with trowels. Chrome tubes remain extensively staged throughout, with substantial material quantities visible. Upper sections show workers on an elevated platform working with tubes suspended below hollow core slabs. At the diamond commercial zones, the cafeteria structure shows no changes, with glass panel gaps remaining in corner sections and above entrance doors. The official store diamond presents exciting developments. Glass panel installation is resuming with suction cup equipment positioned and ready, glass panels staged directly in front. A prefabricated seating section is being lifted into position in the background. The south goal area shows a concrete pump actively positioned in upper sections near the VIP floor zone, with a concrete mixer truck arriving. Support brackets for slats remain without anchors installed, with no changes visible. The elevator staircase structures appear substantially advanced, with scaffolding now removed from interior zones. Sandwich panel installation continues progressing, with the right side structure nearing completion, requiring only small sections before both elevator structures are fully enclosed. Workers are visible adjusting scaffolding hardware. Additional sandwich panels are staged behind barriers. The corner slat sectors show the right sector now at 100% completion. The orange crane is actively positioning a new slat, with substantial quantities staged and workers visible throughout. Before we continue, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds if you haven't already. It's completely free and helps us bring you these daily construction updates. Now let's keep exploring the progress around the stadium. The lateral section presents major news. 2 additional scaffolding towers have been erected in upper cantilever zones, indicating new radial beam installations are imminent. Sandwich panel installation shows the left structure reaching bracket level, with only upper sections remaining. The corner slat installation progresses beautifully, with substantial lower section slats now installed. Viewing from distance provides spectacular perspective on the 2 new scaffolding towers. The 5th compression ring pillar has arrived and is staged, major news indicating imminent installation, though the 5th radial beam hasn't arrived yet. At the north goal corner, substantial tube deliveries have arrived, with smaller diameter tubes being unloaded, likely for drainage systems suspended below hollow core slabs throughout the stadium. New emergency exit doors have been installed in the corner zone. Support brackets for slats show no changes. The central north goal section shows workers completing the black paint on the block wall. Upper glass panel support areas show no insulation material installed yet. The north goal corner shows a 4th level of chrome tubes now being installed, where previously only 3 levels existed. Connection brackets for slat supports show no changes, with the central and right beams having brackets installed, while the left beam awaits installation. Workers with hydraulic hammers are chipping behind black beams in upper sections. That's today's update from Camp Nou. Concrete panels arriving for elevator structures, glass installation resuming at diamonds, 5th compression ring pillar staged, and 2 new scaffolding towers erected for upcoming radial beam installations. Sandwich panels and slats continue advancing with 4th chrome tube level installation underway. Subscribe for daily updates and hit that like button. Thank you for watching Megaverse Builds. See you tomorrow with another construction progress report.